Hi.
Welcome to Henderson Ranch. My name's Samuel.
My name's Katie.
And as a holiday project, we are going to make some Feijoa wine.
Unfortunately, we aren't allowed to drink it, but Nanny will love it.
First job to do, we need to cut and scoop all the fruit. Do it over here, Katie.
Ta-da!
And there is about 10 kgs of cut and scooped feijoas. Now the next step, to freeze them, to pop the internal cells. Next step, after freezing and thawing the feijoas, we need to tip them all into a sterilised bucket along with 12 litres of boiling water and 4 crushed Campden tablets. We might get Dad to help us with pouring the feijoas into the bucket because this looks messy.
The Campden tablets and the feijoas in the hot water are in the strained bucket now. Time to rest.
After the feijoas have rested for a few days, we need to do the next step. To press them from a press we borrowed from a friend into a fermenter and add the rest of the ingredients.
Me and Dad cleaned and sterilised the equipment. Now we're ready to go.
After the wine has been fermenting for about 2 weeks and has stopped bubbling, now it is time to start bottling.
Dad and Mum have sterilised the bottles. Thanks for the bottles, Nanny. Ta-da! All bottled now, about 21 bottles worth.
We had to use 4 of Dad's plastic beer bottles because Mum and Nanny didn't provide enough wine bottles for us.
Time to refrigerate and enjoy afterwards.
Only for the parents though.